Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ironhead here with Dad's Garage HD. A lot of things about this bike that I just love, and very few things that I despise or would rather change. And I say that after I've modified the bike and everything, but this is absolutely one thing that Harley could do a lot better job on. The license plate assembly is junk. I mean, why would you have a beautiful back of a bike like this and then have this? Well, okay, look, it's fine. I wrapped this in carbon fiber wrap just to make it look better. I do have a motorsports camera on it, so it's front and back, recording, brain under the seat. Anyway, so I've got to find a place for this because I have gone to the Custom Dynamics slimmed down version with the radius license plate mount and the LED plate frame. So it's got the license plate light in it. This is the round version. So, you know, everything should look a lot better after putting this on. It'd be a little bit more sleek and kind of blend in with the back of the bike. So that's what we're going to do today. Anyway, hang out and watch me screw something up. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take this off. I'm going to pull this to the side and then we'll deal with this later on. There is a little plastic cover on the inside and it comes right off. You just push up on the bottom and it comes right off and all this stuff is exposed. They made it pretty simple to deal with. Not a whole lot to this install, I don't believe. The hardest thing is going to be finding the place to put my rear camera. So we've got them off and then feed this camera out. The hardware. Okay, we've got it off. That and the gasket, the camera, the whole works. So we're just going to clean this up a little bit here. Okay, that's all ready to go. That's like super nice. Look at that. That's going to be fantastic. So what I gather is this is going to go right there. Now that looks so much better. Okay, let's get the LED frame. We're going to take these black supplied screws here. We're going to make sure that this lays in to that groove, the wire that is, and then we're going to take these backing plates we're gonna take these backing plates and screw the screws into these. Three is too big. 2.5 is too small, so 5/32 is way too big. There we are. Hold your mouth right. Okay. And I'm going to put my camera's cord in with this. Okay, so we got that secure to start on both of them, both the camera and the light for the license plate. Now, route him in here, through here. Where's the camera? And I'm going to route this one. Same. There's one. That should work just fine. Here's one of these thicker ones. think I screwed. Okay. I've already got one of these. I wonder if I need that. Let me see. Where the fuck's that go? All right, he's going to tell me.
All right, we're back here under the seat.
Okay, I know this looks like a mess, but what I was able to do is to bring the license plate cover up, the LED license plate cover up here. And I've got bag lights, I've got reflectors, lit reflectors. So what I'm doing essentially is wiring into each side. So this side is the right side, and then I've got this one tied into the left bag light on that side, and that way I can utilize some of the space here. But it's a mess. I've got to do a lot of cable management. But essentially, that's where I'm at. And so, with that being said, okay, with all that, this is the finished product. And now that looks a lot cleaner than what it did before. So, that or that. Again, I think this one right here is the cleanest of all. Bit of advice, you may want to wash your bike and wash the underneath before, man, all the road grime and everything. But I've got the camera hooked up. I went ahead and put the camera right here where I talked about, and it's all ready to go. It's tuned in, everything's lined up. So I'm all back to normal with a much better rear end on my bike anyway. So thanks for watching my video. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified of any new content, hit that bell. And until next time, stay safe.